Samsung's upcoming mid-range smartphones are no longer a mystery. The Galaxy A57 5G and Galaxy A37 have now been fully revealed through real-life leaks, and this time, it's not just renders or rumors. Actual unboxing videos are already circulating online, giving a complete look at what these devices offer before their official launch. These unboxing clips are reportedly coming from Thailand, where the Galaxy A57 5G is already being sold in stores. Imagine casually scrolling through TikTok and suddenly seeing a brand new Samsung phone being unboxed even before its official announcement. That is exactly what is happening right now. Multiple videos have surfaced showing the phone in almost all of its color options, giving a clear idea of the design, finish, and overall look. This situation feels very similar to what happened recently with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which leaked from Dubai before launch. Now, both the Galaxy A57 and A37 are following the same path, appearing early in different regions. It clearly shows that Samsung's upcoming devices are getting harder to keep under wraps. What makes this leak even more interesting is that these phones were not just spotted online. They have actually appeared in a physical retail store. According to the latest information, both devices were listed at an authorized retailer in Thailand known as CamTV. This is not just a small leak anymore. This is a full retail-level exposure including pricing, storage variants, and even accessories. Starting with the Galaxy A57 5G, the listed variant comes with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. That is a massive configuration for a mid-range smartphone. It shows how Samsung is pushing its series devices closer to flagship-level specs. The listed price for this variant is 29.99 Thai baht. However, there is also a promotional offer that drops the price down to 17.999 Thai baht, making it much more attractive for buyers looking for high storage and performance at a lower cost. On the other hand, the Galaxy A37 is positioned slightly lower in the lineup. The listed version includes 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which is still very solid for everyday usage, gaming, and multitasking. The price mentioned for this model is around 13.999 Thai baht, placing it firmly in the mid-range category. Another interesting detail revealed through this retail listing is the official accessories. The store also showcased protective covers designed specifically for these devices. The prices for these accessories range between 1.99 and 6.90 Thai baht. This indicates that Samsung is planning a full ecosystem around these phones right from launch, giving users ready-to-buy options for protection and customization. But hardware is not the only highlight here. A new software feature has also been revealed, and it could be a big deal for many users. The Galaxy A57 5G is expected to come with a feature called Transcript Assist. This is an AI-powered tool designed to convert voice recordings and phone calls into text. This feature can be extremely useful in real-life situations. Students can use it to record lectures and instantly convert them into written notes. Professionals can use it during meetings to keep track of important discussions. Journalists and interviewers can benefit from quick transcription without needing third-party apps. It adds a layer of productivity that is usually seen in more premium devices. This also shows Samsung's growing focus on AI features even in its mid-range lineup. Instead of limiting advanced tools to flagship models, the company seems to be expanding them across different price segments. Despite all this information being available, Samsung has still not officially confirmed the launch date of the Galaxy A57 5G and Galaxy A37. However, the fact that these phones are already showing up in retail stores strongly suggests that the official announcement is very close. It is highly unlikely for devices to appear in stores with full pricing and accessories unless the launch is just around the corner. Looking at the bigger picture, these leaks give a clear idea of Samsung's strategy for 2026. The company is focusing on delivering high value in the mid-range segment by offering better specifications, larger storage options, and useful AI features. This could make the Galaxy A57 5G one of the most competitive devices in its category. The design, based on the unboxing videos, appears clean and modern, following Samsung's current design language. The availability of multiple color options also adds to the appeal, especially for younger users who want style along with performance. At the same time, the Galaxy A37 seems to be a balanced option for users who want reliable performance without spending too much. It covers all the essentials while still offering a decent amount of RAM and storage. With all these details already out, the only thing left now is the official confirmation from Samsung. Once that happens, these devices could quickly become popular choices in the market, especially in regions where mid-range phones dominate. The early leaks, real-life unboxings, and retail listings have already built strong hype around these smartphones. Now it all comes down to how Samsung positions them during the official launch and whether the global pricing remains as competitive as what has been seen in Thailand. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy A57 5G and Galaxy A37? Do the prices and features look worth it, or is something missing? Drop your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more latest tech updates.